Welcome to Psychology Realm. Today we're diving into something most men never truly get the chance to learn. You know that feeling. There's a woman who seems incredible, but the spark just isn't there on her side. Kindness is offered, attention is given, consistency is shown. Yet somehow the more effort gets put in, the more distance seems to grow. What most men never realize is this: the wrong things probably aren't being done. The right things are simply being done in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't follow the rules of logic. It never has. Today, on Psychology Realm, 7 powerful psychological triggers that genuinely create desire will be explored one by one. And fair warning right now, the last one is extraordinarily powerful. It can shift everything quickly, and almost no one uses it correctly. But before going any further, something important needs to be heard. None of this was ever your fault. Nobody taught this while you were growing up. School never covered it. Society never explained it. Female attraction isn't logical. It's deeply emotional. While you were trying to prove your worth through words and reasoning, through grand gestures and patience, her deeper brain was quietly scanning for entirely different signals. Signals that most men never even knew existed. Research in evolutionary psychology reveals that attraction is often driven by mental shortcuts, deep, automatic patterns that the brain responds to without conscious thought. Once these patterns are truly understood, everything changes. The chasing stops. The forcing stops. A man naturally becomes the kind of presence women feel genuinely drawn toward, the kind they want to pursue. Let's begin with the very first trigger: masculine presence. And no, this has nothing to do with muscles or physical appearance. It's about energy. When walking into a room, does confidence fill the space, or does it shrink into the background? Women feel this within seconds. A man who moves with calm intention, who isn't rushing, who doesn't scan the faces around him looking for approval, that man sends a powerful message without saying a single word. Value is communicated through presence alone. That kind of grounded, settled energy is rare. And rarity creates attraction far faster than any clever line ever could. Picture a social gathering. Instead of scanning the room nervously, there's simply a sense of ease. Shoulders settle back naturally, breathing slows, everything is observed without anxiety, without urgency. That one subtle internal shift transforms how every woman in that room picks up on the energy around her. Her subconscious radar activates. She feels something she can't quite name, not because more effort was made, but because a deeper sense of centeredness was found. The second trigger is emotional challenge. Most men agree with everything a woman says. Tension is avoided at all costs. But tension isn't conflict, it's the fuel that feeds attraction. When there's a light disagreement or a warm, playful tease, polarity is created, and polarity creates magnetism. Say she mentions loving to wake up early. Instead of nodding along, a smile forms and the words come easily. Really? You look like more of a snooze button specialist to me. It's playful, never rude. That small, light challenge signals confidence. It shows there's no fear of self-expression, no desperate need to impress. Genuine engagement is happening. That creates a spark, and attraction needs contrast, not endless agreement. If what's being shared here is starting to resonate, make sure to like this video. It helps Psychology Realm reach the men who were never given this knowledge. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where so many men lose their footing. Too much is given, too fast. Instant replies to every message. Personal plans cancelled. Constant availability at every hour. The female brain reads this as low value, not devotion. A man with a real life, with real direction, isn't always immediately available. Being interesting matters, and being genuinely engaged in things that go beyond her matters just as much. Purpose is attractive. When there are hobbies, goals, friendships, and a clear sense of direction, time naturally becomes valuable. Her world stops being the only orbit, and that makes her curious. A man with a full and meaningful life draws her in, far more than someone who drops everything the moment she glances his way. Scarcity builds interest, not games, just balance. The fourth trigger is intentional listening, not simply hearing words, but truly remembering meaning. When a detail mentioned casually in passing gets brought up later, it creates an instant impression. Emotional connection grows from the feeling of being truly seen. She mentions loving orchids during a casual conversation. Days later, a photo of one appears in her messages with a simple note saying it was a reminder of her. That level of thoughtful attention is powerful. It demonstrates presence. It demonstrates care. And care, when it exists alongside genuine strength, is profoundly attractive. Emotional closeness builds far faster through this kind of attention than through any compliment ever could. The fifth trigger is calibrated vulnerability. Many men believe appearing unbreakable at all times is a sign of strength, but women don't connect with perfection. They connect with honesty delivered with quiet confidence. When something real is shared, a past struggle, a genuine fear, without collapsing into victimhood, it becomes relatable, human, grounded. Vulnerability paired with stability builds deep trust. And trust is the door through which desire walks. Real strength isn't hiding flaws. It's being genuinely comfortable with them. The sixth trigger is gradual, intentional physical touch. Science confirms that light, respectful touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. A brief touch on her arm during a shared laugh. A gentle brush of the shoulder while walking side by side. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, nothing that feels calculated. These small moments create a positive physical association. Her brain begins to link that presence with comfort, warmth, and safety. That kind of quiet depth builds connection on a level that words rarely reach. And now, the final trigger, the most powerful of all, controlled unpredictability. The brain is wired to love dopamine, and dopamine flows from rewarding uncertainty. When there's a slight air of unpredictability, fascination follows naturally. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or emotionally unstable. It means balance, sometimes warm, sometimes playfully challenging. Sometimes the first move is made, sometimes the wait is chosen. A certain mystery is held on to. And mystery keeps her thinking long after the moment has passed. Real tools have now been shared. Not tricks, not manipulation. Tools. Tools to be used with respect. Tools to be used with intention. Perfection is not the goal. Strategy is. And now, that strategy is within reach.